Hey my beauty family, this is Valia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do for you this look, which is a very nice smoky green shimmery eye look with nude lips. It is a very intense look. It is very summery with chocolate lips. These are earthy undertone summery colors that all of you can wear. So if you're gonna know how I created that look, then let's get right into this video to show you how you can do it. I have prepared my brows off camera with my Brow Ultra Clean by Maybelline New York in the shade medium brown, and this is it, a very thin pencil which is very nice to precise. It is a defining pencil and it helps me to precise my brows very well. Then I have cleaned up my underbrow and upper brow area with my Ultra Liquid Concealer in the shade Vanilla. And now I'm ready to prepare my lid, and I'm gonna clean up the lid area with the same Ultra Concealer and this fluffy big brush. Apply some product on the lid, some. If you want, we have told many times, you can apply lid primer, but I prefer the concealer. When you apply concealer on the lid to prepare the lid area, apply a concealer in a shade, in an undertone lighter than your natural undertone. So we can apply our shadows and the color will become very nicely. So I'm applying with a big fluffy brush all this concealer, and of course I'm gonna do the same on my other eye. After I have prepared my lid area, for today I'll be using for shadows my Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose, and this is it. This is a very nice palette with all a brown, medium, gold, shimmery, light, burgundy, brown undertone colors. And for today, I will use on my crease with my eyebrow 104. I'm taking these two together, this color and this. There are two undertones of brown, and I'm gonna mix the two colors to apply on all my lid. For today I'll be doing for you a very nice green smoky eye look, very beautiful, a little intense but beautiful look. So I'll be using this my classic palette, which I love very much, and with that palette I'm doing many looks every time of the day, applying all the shadow back and forward on my crease. Then I'm taking this brush, which is little longer but some flat, and I will take this, which is a very nice deep brown, and this brown I will apply it on my outer corner. And of course on my lid area I will use my Pop Fill palette. This is it, which has very nice shimmery colors. For today I'll be using with that fluffy big brush this on the edge shimmery light green color. I will apply it on all my lid, of course. I love these brown green colors. They're very nice, very easy to apply, to blend, and very easy to wear from each of you. They suit to almost all the skin types, all the skin tones, almost all of you. If you are darker, if you are lighter person. Look what a very nice green shimmery color this is. Beautiful shimmery color. And of course, on my underbrow area, I will apply my Face Studio Maybelline New York Chrome Metallic Highlighter, and this is it. And I'm gonna apply it with my eyebrow 103, because I always apply highlighter on my underbrow area. Really love that highlighter. Of course, just a few coffee while I work with my watermelon glass water. And of course, continue with my other eye, with the same way. Of course, I'm going to continue with my eyeliner. For today, I'll be using my black liner, as I always do, by MUA. I define soft tip face liner. MUA Makeup Academy. Define and line. Very nice eyeliner, beautiful and very black, as I need and as I want for a glam, beautiful look. And of course, after my eyeliner, I will apply my false lashes. As usual, I will use, what I will use for today? I will use this 3 pair 60 mink family department stores, and they are they, which I'm gonna apply. I love these lashes. And after my lashes, I'm going to prepare my whole skin area with my Maybelline Face Studio Prime Protecting Primer with SPF 30. This is my primer, the Hydrating Classic Maybelline Primer that I use for many looks I'm doing and for all the day. It is very nice, very hydrating, moisturizing. Now we have so much sun here. And of course, continue with my classic L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 32 Hours foundation in the shade Sable Sand 220 and my Cyan Liquid Foundation 030 Golden Tan, and this is it. And of course, applying on the back of my hand. I really love applying 2 foundations together, and taking my Kabuki brush by Wet n Wild to take all the product and starting to apply on all the face. I have told you many times that in the market it is very difficult to find the right color for your skin basis. So you have sometimes, the most times, to mix together 2 colors, and sometimes we makeup artists mix and 3 colors to find the right shade, the right undertone. For today I'll be using 2 colors, the most suitable I think for me, and yes, with just these 2 colors I find the right shade undertone for me. And of course, continuing with my beauty blender to apply nicely and more easily all the foundation and more naturally for my face, of course. As I have told you many times, before I started my makeup look, I have done all my skincare, creams, serums, everything, and then I apply my bases and foundation, my whole makeup. And of course, after that, going to continue with my Catrice True Skin High Cover Concealer with Hyaluronic Acid in the shade 032 Neutral Biscuit. This is my concealer. Apply it on the inner corner, on the outer corner. 2 lines near the mouth as a mini lift. 1 line on my nose. And some product on the chin, of course. And on that, I will apply some product, lighter color, for my Fit Me Maybelline in the shade 20, this is my winter color. And on concealer, I mix 2 colors together as I'm doing on my foundation. I apply one on my color that I have now, and 1 lighter, the color I use on the winter. And of course, on my opinion, apply all the foundations, the concealer with beauty blender, especially the concealer to avoid my under area wrinkles. I want some tool to apply all my products softly and easily and softly. Of course, continue with my MUA Makeup Academy Blush Liquid Cream Blushes. I will use for today the Misty Rose and the Watermelon, these 2 blushes, and this fluffy big brush. I apply a few product because especially this product is very intense, so I'll take with my brush just a few of that, apply it on the back of my hand to blend some of that and to apply it on the skin with softly but quick motion before it's gonna get dry, and always apply it with a type of brush, a kabuki type of brush. We don't need much product because these two, especially the watermelon, is very intense, so I apply the product on the back of my hand and take a little of that. You don't need much, some 1-2 dots, half and half dot, because very intense, you don't need much. But don't worry, if it's gonna get on you much product, then with the other powdered product it's gonna get mixed and it does look very well, the result. The other, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna continue with my Wet n Wild contouring palette, contouring the shade Caramel Toffee, and this is it. And I'm gonna take my eyebrow 11, this is my contouring. I will apply on my cheekbones, of course on my forehead. I really love Caramel Toffee in the summer. My jawline, down on my neck to give this sun-kissed touch, which is very nice. I will now, what I will do, I will set up my under eyes with my eyebrow transparent loose powder, just a few products to set up the whole under eye. I have told you that transparent powders, they are the most suitable to apply to set up your under eye area because it is very sensitive, and we want transparent just to set up without our powder getting into the fine lines. We don't want a soft touch. Of course, I'm taking my infallible Fresh Wear foundation in a powder 24 hours and my eyebrow 11 to set up the whole face. Very nice infallible powder, but as I have told you, this powder is only for to set up the whole face. It is a little intense, not for under eyes. And of course, continuing with my Cyan Highlight Powder Root in the shade 10 Secret Lovers and my eyebrow 11. It is a very nice peach blush. As I have told you, peach is a color that suits to almost all of you. Some on the nose. And continuing with my highlighter, Face Studio Chrome Metallic Highlighter by Maybelline and my eyebrow 105, some of that on the cheekbones, on the nose, on the temples, on the cupid's bow. I really love highlighter in the summer. Over my matte contouring, I will apply some Palm Beach Ready bronzer, which is a shimmery bronzer with my eyebrow 11, of course, which we want it now in the summer. It gives some very bright, very shimmery sun touch, and we apply that on the same part that we applied the matte. What else? Now I'm going to continue with my under eye area. As always, I'm gonna use all the shadows I used on my under lid, upper lid. I'm gonna use them on my under lid, the same shadow. Applying some mascara, the Maybelline Colossal 100% Blanc on my upper lashes. And a few, just one to coat on your under bottom lash. Don't need much mascara on your upper lash, of course. And blackest black mascara for that intense look. What else? Some lighter on the waterline, black liquid liner by Leticia Well. And of course my lip. For my lip today I will use my Air Woman 006 number. This is my lip liner, which I have told you is in the shade Chestnut. And of course, above that I will apply my Cyan Lip Gloss Brilliant Side in the shade Sweet Toffee 15. This is a very nice chocolate brown lip gloss. Very nice, this lip gloss. And over that, I will apply a touch of a little plum, sugar plum in the shade 12 lip gloss, which is now this sparkle sugar plum. Very, very pretty color, just to give a brilliant on the other color. And the last touch in the fixing spray, as we have done many times, is matte. To make our makeup last during all the day, always we have to use my Fiore Vita makeup fixing spray, and this is it, from some distance like that. And my friends, this is my complete finished look for today. I hope you like it. If you like it, give in this video some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned to see the upcoming videos. Love you, my friends!